Welcome back to the Cocktail Blog. Today I'm going to show you how to make an industry sour by Ted Kilgore from Taste Bar in St. Louis, Missouri. So apparently he's a bit of an industry legend. He's been around for a long time. A lot of his cocktail recipes have been published by online magazines, so he knows his shit. So today the industry sour, I guess it's called, I probably should have researched this, but I guess it's called an industry sour because it's got, first of all, Fernet Branca, which is kind of like the, well, it's a bartender's drink, and same with Chartreuse. Most bartenders do appreciate those two liqueurs and appreciate how they can work in drinks, and it's a bit of a challenge because they're full on. Like Chartreuse is really strong percentage, and it's a lot of herbaceous notes to it, whilst the Fernet Branca adds obviously that herbal and menthol minty kind of notes. But this one in particular, sour, pretty interesting. Fernet Branca, Chartreuse, lime juice and sugar. It's another one of those really easy cocktails to remember. Equal parts, so 30 mils, 1 ounce of each ingredient. So start off with the Fernet Branca, followed by your Green Chartreuse. So Green Chartreuse sits at 55%, so it's pretty potent. Add that to your shaker. The only issue with this cocktail is it's pretty funky looking. It's got this like really muddy water kind of look to it. Equal parts, again, lime juice, followed by your sugar syrup or simple syrup. So add equal parts if you're using a 1-to-1 syrup. I'm actually using a 2-to-1, so I've just dropped it down a little bit, but for the sake of simplicity, equal parts, 1-to-1 sugar syrup. Add ice to your cocktail shaker and give it a good shake. Now my coupe glass has been chilling. It's been set aside with an ice cube in it, otherwise in the fridge. Just strain straight into that glass. And as you can see, it's got this really funky, muddy water kind of look to it. I'm gonna leave it ungarnished, and that's it. There you have an industry sour. This is the first time I've tried it, so bottoms up. That's pretty tasty. It works surprisingly well, considering you've got Chartreuse and Fernet Branca, two spirits or liqueurs that are very full on, very herbaceous, menthol. This is definitely worth a try. First time I've tried it, and I'm quite impressed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.